good? Hey, what are you two? Y'all already know what the drill is, man. It's your boy Joel. And we're heading to the second location in Mexico to get everybody as a gathering. So we're all gonna gather up there, get everybody who's gonna slide their cars and shit, meet up at the same spot, ride out as a group, and then go to the the third spot. So like I said, right now, your boy Joel is heading to the second spot, meet up with everybody, and then the next clips is gonna be me filming other people sliding shit. Your boy not gonna slide his Camaro today because I got bad tires. You feel me? Them tires ain't cheap. But other than that, cut it to the next clip.
That's how you fucking get the cops out here. And look, nigga, your shit, you're not supposed to be doing it from CoStar. Your shit was throwing mad smoke, nigga. Oh, obvio que está frío.
It's not cold. Good look at the temperature. Está en medio.
Meetup spot right here. We had a couple cars, but I wasn't filming. So, look at this whack ass security guard. So, yeah. Go ahead, two-step it again. Go ahead, do it again. Puta. Te lo va a hacer de nuevo, una vez más. Yo, lo hizo heavy, pero tiró humo. White smoke. It is. I ain't trying to break my iPhone, so I'm going down here, you feel me? Who is? Who cares? Don't do it again. Ya, no más. No más. Look at this nigga jumping like a little ass kid, boy. He said, ya, no más, Simón, way. Look, you got the patrol over there car going with the lights. Yo, it's just us, man. I'm feeling to go to the crib, man. I don't know. Is anybody gonna even meet her over there? Vámonos. They gotta learn somehow. Baby one. And that shit no more. Was better than y'all's and I was holding my phone, nigga. I don't have tires. I need to stop doing this shit. He saved it. He had to have. I was doing mine with like this. I was literally recording with my hand on the stick. Yeah, it is. Once you learn, there you go. You going. Yeah. Got that bitch. There you go, Danny. That nigga Danny got it. That nigga Danny got it. Hey. Hey, cabrón. When you got right there, boy, look at that shit. You was close, but from our end, it looked closer. You had hella space. Yeah, look. The tires are, la marca de la llanta are far. Hey, that nigga Danny can slide. He got it. What is it called? Practice makes perfect, huh?
You said what?
Practice makes perfect.
Ready?
Dale, 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 dale. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And a Wild Mustang's turn. What happened, Kels? What happened? Hey, that nigga Danny though. That nigga Danny sliding that.
Hice una hora pensando que me iba a aguantar y saqué todos los wires, loco.
Nah, nigga, my shit is like yours, literally. I'm not even supposed to be sliding at all. That's why I did that little shit. I was literally doing it with my phone, hand on the phone and all that. Let me know if you need some cutters. I got some.
Bro, put them out. Llévalo ahí. Dale. Ahí.
Este cabrón. They do sound good though. Mopar do sound good. I see him. I see him. Yo, cops. I see him. Don't run. Just walk. Woo. Yo, Alex, la policía, cabrón. Yeah, that's it. Park up. Nothing. Let's see what they want, boy. Solamente dile que se dañó el carro y
Mira
ya.
que estamos grabando un video de YouTube.
Yeah.
What's up?
Hey,
How you doing,
how you doing?
Someone called, so we had to come out.
All right.
That's called tonight. I'd rather you be in a parking lot, obviously, but when people call, we have to come out, okay?
I appreciate it.
I appreciate it. We done it. Appreciate it.
Yo, that boy Alex. You see them bumper, boy? You see that bumper, boy? They got two of them bitches, nigga. Two of them.